Stuart Community Woodland is a group of about 10, 11 adults and 9 children now, and we are trying to live as sustainably and as gently on the land as we can. We've had an independent carbon footprint analysis which came to the conclusion that we're producing about 34% of the average carbon footprint living the way that we live. In the summer we've got solar panels which bring in obviously the sun's energy. This goes straight into these batteries here via a controller, and then this is 12 volt, and then what we've got is an inverter above it, and that boosts it up to 240 volt as and when an appliance needs 240 volt. We tend to try and use 12 volt for as much things as we can, but occasionally you do need to use 240. In the winter we've got the micro hydro system, which brings up 240 volt, it produces 240 volt, and that comes up the hill straight again into the power tower, where it then gets distributed, used for communal needs and also some personal needs as well. There's 2 with a view. Yeah, we call it the poo temple, poo with a view, and we've got a 2-chamber system. Well, when one fills up, we block it off, and then we use another chamber and give it a couple of years. It takes a couple of years to fill one of these chambers. They're rodent proof, and then after a couple of years we can actually use the manure, human manure, and put it on our fruit bushes and fruit trees and what have you. So it's really, it's good stuff. So this is one of the original structures. It's been here since near the beginning, so it's probably 8 or 9 years now. Kind of on its last legs, but it's been given a loving woman's touch and spruced up again for another winter, and it's got a wonderful view across the valley. And this is really such a tiny thing, but this is the reason we can be here. This little puddle of water. If it wasn't for that puddle of water, then this wouldn't have happened in the first place, this community, because that is our spring. Living like this is just fantastic. It's just the most, it's such an empowering way of being, I haven't got a £250,000 mortgage around my neck, This structure cost me about £1,000 to build in total, and pretty well most of it was built from stuff that I've collected out of skips or recycled from recycling yards, and we've been living in it for 5.5 years. I'd never built anything before I came here, and I was Mr. Bean with a power tool.